Traveling is an exciting and enriching experience that allows you to explore new places, cultures, and create lasting memories. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first adventure, these tips can help you make the most of your journey while staying safe and organized. 1. Plan ahead. Research. Start by researching your destination. Understand the culture, local customs, and any travel advisories. Learn about the top attractions and activities to ensure you don't miss out on must-see sites. Budget. Set a realistic budget for your trip, including accommodation, transportation, food, and activities. Keep a buffer for unexpected expenses. Itinerary. Create a rough itinerary to ensure you cover essential places and activities. However, remain flexible to accommodate unexpected discoveries and opportunities. 2. Travel documents. Passport and visa. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned return date. Check visa requirements for your destination and obtain them well in advance. Travel insurance. Purchase comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Copies. Make photocopies of important documents like your passport, visa, travel insurance, and itinerary. Store these separately from the originals and have digital copies as well. 3. Packing tips. Pack light, travel with only essentials. A versatile wardrobe, comfortable shoes, and necessary toiletries are key. Consider the climate and local dress code. Travel gear. Invest in quality travel gear like a durable suitcase or backpack, a good camera, a power bank, and a universal adapter for electronics. Medications. Pack any necessary medications, prescriptions, and a basic first aid kit. 4. Health and safety vaccinations. Ensure you are up to date on necessary vaccinations and consult a travel clinic for destination-specific health recommendations. Travel insurance. Carry your insurance details at all times and have the contact information readily accessible. Safety precautions. Be aware of your surroundings, avoid risky areas, and keep your belongings secure. Use a money belt or hidden pouch for important items. 5. Communication. Mobile plan. Check your mobile plan for international coverage or consider purchasing a local SIM card for data and calls. Apps. Download useful travel apps such as translation, maps, currency converters, and travel guides before your trip. 6. Finances. Notify bank. Inform your bank about